Hi folks, welcome back. 992 GTS, and I don't say this easily, but it's the best sounding Porsche we've ever put together. There you go, I said it. So, it's a complete Morel setup. So, we've got Morel reference front components, we've got hybrid woofers, and we've got Ultimo subwoofer. Let me just show you the back. We're using Audison Amplification and DSP. Got the Ultimo woofer in the back there. Complete custom enclosure. Totally removable, no holes drilled. Oh, let me show you the shape of it. Look how it curves around. How cool is that? It's taken quite a long time to build this, but you've got the Audison 12.14 amplifier there driving all the speakers. You've got the AF1D monoblock driving the Ultimo woofer. The whole system's obviously fully active. We've got the ZEN module, so we've taken out the Burmeister amplifier and we've popped a ZEN in its place. That gives us a digital output that drives the reference tweeters, mids, the hybrid woofers, which are super cool. Obviously there's a ton of soundproofing work in the doors, but just look how cool that is. Obviously the back seats go up and hide it all away. So we do that, you can't see anything at all apart from the woofer on the rear deck. We've managed to source the Porsche Alcantara here, so it ties in exactly with the sections in the seats, and everything's been trimmed in-house and fabricated in-house. This is all made of birch ply. Yeah, nice job. I wish I could show you how good it sounds, but I can't. I could if I had some funky microphones. You have to take my word for it. It's stunning. It's the best sounding 911 that we've ever built, and that takes some doing because we've built some good sounding cars. Thanks very much for watching.